Today, I'm going to be reviewing Ipaw's turkey tens. Look at these girls. No, back up. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Like, I know they're going to like this, right? There's no way they're not going to like this. All right, they are ready. Why would you want turkey tendons? I don't know. It's 100% turkey, US sourced, hypoallergenic. It's easy for them to chew. They are so excited here. I feel like this is something that they're going to take and run off with, which is what I don't want. Sit down. Okay, here, hold on. Miley, stay. Everyone stay. Oh, look, they're fighting. Oh, Roomba took it off. Miley, over here. You want this? Okay, stay. Look, Miley, stay down, sit down. There you go. And they just ran off. Oh, she likes it. I bet you she growls if I try to get it. Can I? No, stay right there. Sit down. She just had all her teeth removed. Not all, but she doesn't have front teeth. And she is liking it. High protein, low fat, 65% protein. These come in rings, lollipops, and bones, 4-piece, 10-piece, and 40 packs. It does really well on Amazon. I love to see this. Amazon choice, 4.5 stars, 305 reviews. And last month, just of the 10-piece bag, 1,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.